Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Reef Finance, guys. In this video I'm talking about Reef Finance currently price. What's the price changes occur in the Reef Finance? Let me show you guys. But if you are new, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly first of all click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and update videos. At this time, guys, if we talk about the currently latest price update of Reef Finance, so as you can see here, now this time the current price of Reef is about 0.029252 USD dollar. That is the current price of Reef Finance. Other side, the last 1 hour, last one day, last 1 week, these changes of Reef Finance is completely going negative. But don't worry, guys, very soon these changes will become positive and they will give you huge profit, guys. So I recommend that it's time to hold, not to sell, guys. So absolutely now in the current situations refinance is going negative, but that's not mean, guys. A lot of people are doing a very big mistake that in the last half month when they see a small falls, so they decide to sell. They understand that it's continuously fall, but it's temporary, guys. You know what, a lot of coin found that in the beginning and the last of month changes becomes positive. So that's why I suggest for all of you that it's holding time not to sell. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.